This morning viewers catapulted the show into complete smut. On today's show, Holly Willoughby was joined by a group of Fury friends as well as Philip Schofield and guest Joe Brand. The 35-year-old played with an adorable black kitten that sat in her lap as she interviewed the guest comedian. And at one point Holly's kitty completely buried itself in her leg. She cried, "This cat thinks I'm a sofa. It's literally disappeared." ITV cuteness. Holly and Phil were joined by the cutest kittens. "That is so sweet," replied Phil. He then compared the fluff ball to a Scottish traditional pouch accessory. "It's like a sporran." Joe commented, "You are a cat whisperer." Phil later observed, "Look at these really cute and beautiful cats. Very attractive." This morning's fans' minds were clearly in the gutter, though, as they swarmed Twitter with their sickening comments. One person tweeted, "Keith Lemon is about to have a field day with Holly Willoughby sat with that kitten on." ITV adorable. Holly and Phil played with the little fur balls. Holly Willoughby's sexiest pictures. Beautiful and funny. This morning host. 1/81 Getty Images. Holly Willoughby wows in dress slashed to navel for the ITV gala. Holly is stroking her pussy. Twitter. Holly is stroking her pussy. Noted 1. But it wasn't just Holly that was in the firing line of the dirty joke parade. A third wrote, "Phil is enjoying giving that pussy a rub." This isn't the first time Holly has caused a stir on social media after being joined on the show by petted cats. Earlier this year, the This Morning presenter was the center of crude gags when Siamese feline Teddy kept wriggling in her arms. Holly Willoughby's sexy self is seal. Holly Willoughby's sexy self is .1/15 Instagram. Holly Willoughby flashes flesh for a selfie. ITV guest star Joe Brand joined the sofa to promote her new show.